This is gonna blow your mind. Welcome to Forex 101 with Team Pip and Fuse. Learn about the exciting world of Forex trading. It's where currencies dance, and we'll help you find your rhythm. We'll teach you the steps so you don't step on any toes. Forex can seem complicated, but we'll break it down. By the end, you'll be ready to join the party. So put on your dancing shoes and let's get started. Imagine you're on vacation. You want to buy a souvenir, but the shop only accepts euros, not dollars. This is where Forex comes in. Forex is short for foreign exchange. It's a massive global marketplace where currencies are traded. Think of it like a giant swap meet for money. Instead of trading souvenirs, we're trading currencies. We're buying one currency and selling another. Just like at that souvenir shop, the exchange rate changes all the time. This means the value of one currency fluctuates against another. And that's where the opportunity to profit lies. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs. Think of them like celebrity couples. One of the most popular pairs is EUR-USD. This is like the Brangelina of the Forex world. The euro, EUR, is the base currency, and the US dollar, USD, is the quote currency. The price fluctuates constantly, just like the ups and downs of a celebrity relationship. Now, let's talk about pips. These are the smallest price movements in Forex. Think of them like tiny sprinkles on a cupcake. They might seem small, but they add up. A pip is usually the fourth decimal place in a currency pair quote. So if EUR/USD moves from 1.1000 to 1.1001, that's a 1 pip movement. Even though pips are small, they can make a big difference in your trading profits. Just like those sprinkles, they add sweetness to your trades. The more pips you capture, the more profitable your trades can be. Leveraging your trades, a megaphone for your money. Leverage is a powerful tool in Forex. It allows you to control a larger position in the market with a smaller amount of capital. Think of it like a megaphone at a concert. With leverage, you can amplify your trading power. But just like a megaphone, you need to use it carefully. Too much leverage can amplify your losses too. For example, a 100-to-1 leverage means you can control $10,000 worth of currency with just $100. It's like having a supersized trading account. But remember, leverage can be risky if not used responsibly. What's something people don't know about what makes currencies move? Just like music sets the rhythm for a dance, various factors influence currency movements. Understanding these factors is key to becoming a successful Forex trader. Economic indicators like interest rates, inflation, and GDP growth can impact currency values. Think of them as the tempo and beat of the music. Political events like elections, trade agreements, and geopolitical tensions can also cause currencies to swing. These are like unexpected twists and turns in the dance routine. Market sentiment, or how traders feel about the market, can also move currencies. It's like the mood or vibe on the dance floor, influencing everyone's moves. Reading the dance floor indicators to guide your steps. Just like dancers use cues and signals, Forex traders rely on technical indicators to guide their decisions. These indicators help us analyze price charts and identify potential trading opportunities. Moving averages act like trend lines, showing us the average price movement over a period of time. They're like following the flow of dancers on the floor. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, measures the strength and momentum of price movements. It's like gauging the energy level of the dancers. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, helps us identify changes in trend direction and momentum. It's like spotting a change in the music or dance style. Ready to dance? Join the Forex party. The world of Forex is dynamic and exciting, just like a vibrant dance floor. Understanding the fundamentals is key to joining the party and trading confidently. Remember to practice your moves, manage your risk, and use the right tools to navigate the market. With time and practice, you'll be able to move with the rhythm of the Forex market. So, put on your trading shoes, tune into the market music, and get ready to dance your way to Forex success. The possibilities are endless. Whether you are a beginner in Forex, a professional trader, investor, or a startup broker, feel free to reach out to us for a friendly chat or free consultation at info@pipinfuse.com or visit pipinfuse.com for more information. We may be able to assist you. All links in the description. Happy trading, everyone.